Hello, Chef here, wishing you all a wonderful holiday season. I'm in one of the kitchens and I wanted to share a couple of things with you here. So, first thing is, oh yeah, holiday cookies. We got a variety going on here. We got some kolachkis. Cheese-filled, apricot-filled, raspberry-filled kolachkis. Perfect crust there. Oh yeah, these are chocolate crinkle cookies. The recipe is on the sponsor's website there. These are oatmeal raisin, looking good. I'm about to enjoy some cookies here, as well as a saffron vanilla tea. Oh yeah. And I like to share with you some of these health benefits of some of the different things I'm having here, like the tea. So the tea, I've got this tin of saffron here. Oh yeah, I put just a little pinch right into the tea like this. That's all it takes. That improves your vision, helps your blood, helps your heart. Many other body functions. Saffron's really, really good for you. And for a holiday treat, I've got this amazing vanilla. These are vanilla beans that are ground. Vanilla beans and seed specks that are ground really fine. I'm going to put a little bit of that in my tea. And then I'm going to just give it a little stir like this. Of course, there's honey in the tea. I'm a big believer of honey. Honey is a natural sweetener. It's very good for you. Very, very good for you. And here we go. Oh yeah. Saffron vanilla black tea. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Wow. I'm gonna select the cookie here. I think I'll go with oatmeal raisin here today. And make sure to subscribe, like, share, support your sponsor. And once again, if you need the recipe for any of these cookies, you can find them at the sponsor's site there, along with all the products used in the videos. Oh yeah, look at that cookie. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Have a great day and get cooking. Chef here once again with all things Butcher Block. I love Butcher Block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in Butcher Block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. This is made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's going to be good. Hello, Chef here with yet again another Butcher Block video. Butcher Block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old and it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion. Let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. The sponsor's right there. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. These blocks come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes. This one here is approximately 18 by 18 by 2 1/4. And the big one, this monster here, is like 48 by 25 by 4. Yeah, made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Hello, Chef here, and I've got yet another recipe to share with you, as well as some tips. So follow along, and here we go. Okay, this old block's coming along good. It's fine sanded. I like where it's at right now. I'm ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, check out the sponsor. And yeah, it's looking really, really good. It's going to soak in and penetrate, so I'm not worried about a little extra oil. That's fine. Once again, your sponsor's right here, and I'll be back to show you this finished block soon. When I'm applying the oil, I do apply a little more in the areas that have more cut marks, more deep scratches and things like that. I'm going to give you a little walk around this block right now to show you how nice it is, and I will finish up over the next few days with several applications. Here we go, just a quick walk around this block as it's finished up. This again is a 48 by 25 by 4. This particular one has a oak frame installed around it. It was done a long time ago. Just want to show you the finished block after a lot of work. It's looking really, really good. Yeah, we got to let that oil penetrate. Let it soak in. If you need a block or butcher block treatment, contact the professionals right there. chefdepot.com. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it. And that's it. Have a great day. Keep cooking. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Keep this channel going. And you're the chef's friend. You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.